Max here again. We're in the beautiful community of Ironshore, or should I say upscale community. This is what Ironshore looks like. This is another one of its entrances. Another is there right beside Witter Village. Already we can see the effects of hurricane damage here. That is what Green's View on the left. And we're going straight up into the community to see some of the big houses that we heard are up here. You'll be the judge and let me know if it is as upscale as persons make it out to be. I heard someone says all the rich communities are in Kingston, so no rich communities are not in Montego Bay. Oh, Coral Gardens is on the left. That's where you can drive to go to Coral Gardens. Again, let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from. Beautiful houses, man. Look at this. Just beautiful. Across the street from us. Can see the cable lines are down. They have electricity, it's just the internet and the cable lines that are damaged. Beautiful complex here on the right. Let me see if I can see the name of it. Not seeing the name of it outside, but some beautiful apartments are here. Again, the blue tarpaulin showing the signs of the hurricane damage here. Man, I'm sticking with concrete roofs because, man, can't just imagine the repair costs for some of these fancy roofs. I don't know which street I'm on right now. I'm not familiar with all the streets in Ironshore. Just showing you what the community here is like. Beautiful. Look at the colors on this gate, man. Pretty. To get one of those 360 cameras, you know. Working on it. Okay, we're gonna get some rains today. But this is what the beautiful Ironshore looks like. Let me turn back right here. I have no idea where I am, man. There's some water tank here, old water tank. Is this somewhere you'd want to live? Maybe as a returning resident? Let me know in the comment section. Look at this beautiful view. Now let's continue up here. Again, remember to tap that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, like the video. House on the hill, man. The road here doing some repair work. Oh, wow, look at this. Completely damaged. I am not going further up there. This is Ironshore. This is my first time on this section of Ironshore. Just wow. Some serious damages to some of the roofs here. Again, super chat is open. Yeah man, super chat is open. Our aim right now is to get a 360-degree camera. We can show you a wider field of view of some of the most interesting places. There's the Montego Bay bypass. A section of it in view there at the top of the hill. Beautiful. Just beautiful. My. Look at the view. Wow. Look at this one. This is pretty. Lovely house. Lovely, what do you call it? Complex. And that's a section of the Montego Bay bypass there. So you see just how close Ironshore the houses are to the road, the highway. This is another end of the Ironshore area. Make sure you check out all the videos on the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in a bit. This is the beautiful Montego Bay. We just toured Ironshore. Subscribe to the channel. Check out all the videos. God bless.